But first of all, you need to know how many rakats are in the prayers. Fajr 4 rakat, Zuhr 12 rakats, Asr 8 rakats, Maghrib 7 rakats, Isha 17, 4 sunnat, 4 first, 2 sunnat, 2 nafal, 3 witr and 2 nafal. These are altogether 17 rakats. Before you start your prayer, make sure that the cleanliness of the body, clothes and the prayer place is clean. Body is covered for men from the navel to the knees, and for women to cover all of the body is first except face, both hands and feet. Facing Qibla, direction of the Holy Kaaba. This is important, as well as it is, you have to make sure that it is prescribed time and your intention to read specific prayer. Then say Takbir Tahrima, Allahu Akbar. What is the procedure? First of all, wear clean and pure clothes, perform perfect wuzu and stand upright facing towards Qibla, keeping a distance of at least 4 fingers between the feet. Up to the shoulders width is allowed. Just look, the distance between the feet, and the feet should be parallel facing towards Qibla, and raise both hands up to the earlobes. Keep the fingers in their natural position. Do not bow your head. Your palms should be facing Qibla. Now bring your hands down saying Allahu Akbar. Fold your hands just below the navel. Place the palm of the right hand on the back of the left hand. Place 3 fingers of the right hand on the wrist of the left hand. Little finger and thumb on the sides. Make a circle with them. And now look, the position the palms, say Allahu Akbar and hold. Girls and women will raise their hands up to the shoulders and fold them just below the breast. Look at, this is how you should raise your hands, and then hold them just below the breast. Look at the sajda position and start reading Sana. And Sana is Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. A'udzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal lazina an'amta alaihim ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Allahu akbar. Subhana rabbiyal azim. Subhana rabbiyal azim. Subhana rabbiyal azim. Sami'allahu liman hamidah. Rabbana lakal hamd. Now prostrate, go to sajda position by saying Allahu Akbar. Place the knees, nose and forehead on the ground. Arms should be neither touching the ground nor body sides or stomach. Keep all toes touching the ground and say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la at least 3 times. Women will slide their left foot towards the right and will contract all of their body. Their arms should be touching the ground as well as to the sides of the body. Their belly should be touching their thighs. Allahu Akbar. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Your first rakat is completed on the second sajda. Now rise by saying Allahu Akbar, placing your hands on the knees. When you are in standing posture, start reading Suratul Fatiha, then any long ayat or short 3 ayats. Let's see. Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. As you have finished reciting, now say Allahu Akbar and go to ruku exactly in the same way as you did in the first rakat. Then complete 2 sajde and sit for qada. Allahu Akbar. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Stand erect, saying سمع الله لمن حمده ربنا لك الحمد الله أكبر سبحان ربي الأعلى سبحان ربي الأعلى سبحان ربي الأعلى الله أكبر الله أكبر سبحان ربي الأعلى سبحان ربي الأعلى سبحان ربي الأعلى الله أكبر التحيات لله والصلوات والطيبات السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته السلام علينا وعلى عباد الله الصالحين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء रब्बना इग़फ़िर ली वलिवालिदैया वलिलमुमिनीना यौम यक़ूमुल हिसाब रब्बना आतिना फ़िद्दुनिया हसनतम वफ़िल आखिरति हसनतम वक़िना अज़ाबन्नार। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।